ISTV English News. First top stories. MSF asks government to produce white paper on waste of land at Delhi Manipur Bhavan within 15 days. Warns of agitation if government fails to do so. And stands from garbage dumped near school sicken students in exam hall. Manipuk faint. Now the news in detail. The state government must produce a white paper on the alleged waste of land at the Manipur Bhavan in Delhi within 15 days. If the government fails to do so, the Manipuri Students Federation MSF will launch a very intense agitation. T.S. Udoy Luang, advisor of MSF, told media persons at a press meet held at the head office of the students' body. President of MSF K.H. Sirasuddin and External Affairs Secretary Peter Kharam etc. were present at the press meet. Udoy Luang further said the Manipur Bhavan located at Janakpuri, Delhi is just like a property that has been discarded as if it is ownerless and no one to look after it. There is no other place in Delhi where Manipuris can stay together. There are only non-locals at the Bhavan and the person who is on the administration staff does not belong to Manipur either. He said, on the ever-increasing crimes against the people from the northeast in Delhi, the state government needs to deal with the situation properly. The MSF cannot accept giving away of the land belonging to the Manipur Bhavan to Mizoram and the Northeastern Council. He said, MPs from the northeast should put pressure on the centre to implement anti-racial law. History of Manipur should be included in the syllabus of CBSE and Delhi Board. A channel for the Northeast should be opened in one of the electronic media channels in Delhi. On the other hand, the government of Manipur should look into the installation of an electric transformer at Bhavan, Udoy Luang said.
Demand of the Manipur government, 15 days, white paper, Maramdi Karino Harganda, Manipur ki Lairiva, Bhavan Manung Stage, the Sanya Kya Puri. Lam chawar baching duki power supply si akoi ki base land da madu thambe madu na karigumba rainy season matam da di akoi ising na madu foot ani bo ki sang si ayam matam da dum hajin duna lei adu moi ki ising chingthokna na badi pam lerami in case machine hai si kaigum failu ibo timing ga tangka ga thoga de mai pokhai rakna Manipur Bhavan tum da chawi de maram su leite mangui de maram su leite.
Intolerable stench emanating from a mountain of garbage dumped near the school has sickened students inside the examination hall, making some of them vomit and faint. The disturbing incident happened at the Anand Singh Higher Secondary School located near Nomibung a few days back. On investigation by a team of ISTV News, it was found that a moderately large pond located just behind the school is being filled up with mounds of rotten waste materials that exude very strong stink. Students appearing in the ongoing class 10 and 12 examinations at the school were seen writing examination with handkerchiefs tied around their nose and mouth to protect themselves from the stink inside examination halls. Invigilators told the ISTV News that some of the students fell sick because of the stink and some of them vomited inside the examination hall itself. Principal of the school, K. Sumati, said not only herself but also many other staff kept falling ill due to the intolerable odor. Written complaints had been submitted to the authority concerned, including the Imphal East DC, but nothing positive has come out of it, the principal said. Moreover, as the new session begins, if those students who want to get admission to the school come to know about the garbage and stink, it is feared that none of them may come to the school, thus making it a main reason for the school to become extinct, K. Sumati said. She appealed to all concerned to take necessary steps immediately and save the school.
I school manung sida get exam padagi angakpa manam ba khut pham ngamdaba masi one view hygienic Haju Hajari Kuzu Kurumdari, Ruanan Singh Higher Secondary Academy, Yampazana in the Tapna, Direct Nashugi Maramda, developed of Halavi School, Manisi Mutat Pigana, Prajamian, Mutat Pigi Prajamian, Kandu, Sisu, a request of the rain, Mitagi Pita, Hajari, a school see, Atupa Tariba, Percassim Tariba, Sincina, Machin men, Maputungi Punsileka, the board exam, council exam, Tariba Sida. Mayam the Karitamangani, Madui Skududi, Maha Paki Masakni, Sumayan Kutsime Laga, Perka Kolomzi and Tamangani, Ayu Karamba, matung tungda tapa karamba tungda lapa karamba satra satrina state ming chaningani karamba mama pam si like tamba thaningani adusu khanbiyu.
On the other hand, it is very unfortunate that just behind a school, a garbage dumping site has been created. The authority concerned should find a way to safeguard from this garbage menace in larger interest of the students, said the Vice President of Students' League Manipur, T.S. Hemanta.
Masigi manam pathaudi manam masina satra sing like su tambada kya puning khoidana puning changbangam masina maram oraga mari laina ba authority sing na thuba matamda haiba pathaudi sing asibu lautopiduna satra sing da mai masing tambada ayat pa pan pibi da na ba student link manipur gi mai dagi ningsingje.
Before we wind up, a quick glance at the top stories once again. MSF asks government to produce white paper on waste of land at Delhi Manipur Bhavan within 15 days. Warns of agitation if government fails to do so. And stands from garbage dumped near school sicken students in exam hall. Manipur Fent. That's all for today, and thanks for joining us.